Today, we're diving deep into the secrets of Amsterdam, a city that's mostly below sea level. Can you imagine what lies beneath the bustling streets and picturesque canals? Let's embark on a journey to uncover the hidden world beneath Amsterdam, where a fascinating subterranean realm awaits exploration. Amsterdam's unique geography presents a significant challenge: the constant threat of flooding and the intricate water management systems required to keep the city dry. It's a delicate balance between man and nature that has shaped the city's identity. Join me as we venture into the depths of Amsterdam's underground marvels. We'll navigate through ancient canals, innovative pumping stations, and remarkable architectural feats that keep the water at bay. As we delve deeper, we'll stumble upon a mesmerizing hidden gem or a remarkable engineering marvel that showcases the genius behind Amsterdam's water management system. It's a testament to human ingenuity and resilience in the face of nature's forces. Amsterdam's below-sea level infrastructure is a testament to the city's rich history and innovative spirit. The intricate network of canals, pumps, and barriers highlights the importance of water management in shaping Amsterdam's past, present, and future. Before we part ways, I urge you to continue exploring hidden city secrets with us. Share your thoughts, favorite discoveries, or hidden gems you've encountered in the comments below. Until next time, keep on exploring and uncovering the mysteries of the world around us.